Title: Occupied Room Trends, AI-Driven Forecast from Hospitality ERP. Model: Deep Neural Network, DNN, designed by AI architect Pradeep K. Suri. AI-Powered Room Occupancy Forecast. Generated by Hospitality ERP, DNN model by Pradeep K. Suri. Animation shows real-time AI predictions of room types based on dynamic guest and operational factors. Brain DNN AI model role. The Deep Neural Network, DNN, processes multiple input parameters, such as guest booking requests, seasonality trends, room availability, guest profile and preferences, event impact, example conferences, holidays, historical occupancy patterns. These factors feed into the hidden layers of DNN, which learn correlations and patterns to generate real-time predictions of room occupancy distribution by type. Bar chart: what the video shows. The animated video progresses through these visuals. Room type: occupied rooms, total rooms, occupancy percent. Suite 160, 280%. Deluxe 220, 250, 88%. Executive 140, 180, 77.8%. Standard 300, 350, 85.7%. Family Suite 80, 180%. Light bulb animated highlights. Green bars rising, occupied rooms. Text labels, display both the count and occupancy percent. Sequential appearance, gradual reveal suggests DNN decision flow from input to output. Hotel Business Insight. The output helps top management decide pricing and promotional strategies. Operations manage room inventory in real time. Sales/marketing identify underutilized or overbooked segments. Forecasting future trends using AI's learned behavior. Puzzle piece: DNN layers behind the output, conceptual. Input layer, rightward arrow, hidden layers, X nodes each, rightward arrow, output layer. Room type, features, preferences, events, etc., rightward arrow, occupied room predictions. Thank you.